In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight blank cells in Microsoft Excel. This is a really useful formatting trick when you want to quickly spot missing information in a spreadsheet. Whether you're reviewing a list, cleaning up data, or checking for incomplete entries, highlighting blank cells makes those empty spaces stand out immediately. To begin, select the data range you want to work with. In this example, start by selecting the relevant cell or range in your worksheet, such as A2 and the surrounding data area if needed. The important thing here is to make sure you've highlighted the section where you want Excel to look for blank cells. If you only select one cell, the formatting will only apply there, so it's best to confirm your selection before moving on. Once your data is selected, go to the Home tab in Excel. From there, find Conditional Formatting. This feature allows Excel to automatically apply formatting based on rules you choose, which is exactly what we need for identifying blanks. Click Conditional Formatting, then choose New Rule. A dialog box will open with several rule options. In that list, click Format Only Cells That Contain. This option lets you tell Excel exactly what kind of cells should be formatted instead of applying the rule to everything in the selection. Next, look for the section labeled Format Only Cells With. From the available choices, select blanks. This tells Excel to target only the empty cells within the range you selected. It's a simple setting, but it's very effective when you're working with large tables and don't want to scan manually for missing values. After choosing blanks, click Format. This opens the formatting window where you can decide how those empty cells should appear. Go to the Fill option and choose a color. For example, yellow is a popular choice because it's bright and easy to notice, but you can pick any color that works for your spreadsheet style. When you've selected your fill color, click OK. Then click OK again to confirm the rule and apply it. At that point, Excel will automatically highlight all blank cells in the selected range. Any empty cell included in your original selection will now stand out with the fill color you chose. And that's it. You now have a quick visual way to identify missing data in Excel. This can save time, improve accuracy, and make your worksheets easier to review at a glance.